Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools. If you've been searching for delivery route optimization software that actually runs inside Excel, you're in the right place. We've built a tool that helps you plan the most efficient delivery routes with multiple stops, without needing any expensive software or complicated systems. Whether you're a delivery driver, logistics coordinator, field service manager, or a salesperson visiting multiple clients, this tool will save you time, reduce mileage, and make your day-to-day operations way more efficient. We've been developing Excel-based tools for over 16 years, and more than 7,500 businesses are now using them to automate repetitive tasks, eliminate manual calculations, and simplify workflows. Every week, we hear from users who tell us our tools have transformed their scheduling and routing processes. With over 140 five-star Google reviews, it's clear that professionals from all kinds of industries rely on our solutions every single day. This delivery route optimization software integrates directly with the Google Maps API to calculate the most efficient order for your stops, reducing both driving time and distance. Instead of manually trying to sort out which stop should come next, this tool does it for you instantly. You start by entering your starting point and final destination. These can be the same location, like your office or dispatch center, or two different locations, depending on how your route's set up. Then, paste in your list of stops. No need to sort them. The tool will reorder them in the most efficient sequence. Once your data is in, just click the Calculate Optimal Route button. In a matter of seconds, the tool gives you a fully optimized delivery route with the shortest distance, estimated travel time between each stop, and total trip mileage and duration. You'll even get a clickable Google Maps link to view the route online, so you or your drivers can get step-by-step directions. You can also send the route link directly to a phone or share it with a team member. This Excel-based route optimization software helps you save time, reduce fuel costs, and boost efficiency without the need for extra apps or subscriptions. It supports over 20 stops per route, which aligns with the current limits of the Google Maps API. And if your operations are a bit more complex, or if you need a version that can handle more stops or custom features, we'd be happy to build a tailored version for your business. If you're ready to optimize your delivery routes and stop wasting time on manual planning, you can download the tool using the link in the description below. And if you ever need help getting started, we've got you covered. You can call, email, or chat with us directly. No bots, no automated responses, just real support from real people who know the tools inside and out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our newest Excel tools. Until next time, happy routing.